Hello, my name is Alex and I'm one of the science communicators here at Cambridge Science Centre. We are going to be creating our own little world today with our 2 sunflower seeds and some soil, and I've got here. You're going to be able to see them growing every step of the way from sprouting to when the leaves first start to grow. I have here an old CD case, who remembers them, some soil as you saw, some seeds as you saw, a dropper or pipette for dropping water, and guess what, some water as well. So here's how we're going to do it. You can grow 2 sunflower seeds at a time, or beans are quite good as well. Little runner beans or broad beans are good as well. First thing I'm going to do is mix some water with the soil because we want it a little damp. There you go. Just going to give that a mix with my hands a little bit quicker. Got my CD case here, and I'm going to put a little bit of the soil, so it is a bit messy, into this third of my CD case. So hopefully you can see that on the other camera. Right, what I'm going to do next is get my 2 seeds and pop them just here at the top. Get some of that muck off. I'm going to close the CD case, and if it's flat enough, it will shut nicely. So seeds need 3 things to thrive. One of them is nutrients, which they're going to get from the soil. One of them is water, which we're going to provide with the dropper. And the other one is sunlight. So once you've prepped your case, you need to put it on your windowsill so that it can get lots of nice sunny sun. And to make sure that the soil doesn't just fall out everywhere, I've popped some tape on top there to keep it nice and safe. The seeds can start to grow very soon after being planted using the energy stored inside them. As they reach out towards the sun, they can start using the sun's rays to help them make energy to grow further in a process called photosynthesis. That's why plants don't have to eat to stay alive. They make their own food instead with the help of the sun. Finally, if you have a go at home, please send us any photos to OpenUpScience@cambridgesciencecentre.org or tag us on social media. Cool, thank you very much. See you next time.